Vincennes University. I'm part of the third year advanced manufacturing program. I've used Mastercam X4 to program one of the haas machines to machine out a port, which is going to be an intake manifold for a pulling tractor.
Hi, I'm Jason Manlove. I'm a second year student at Vincennes University, and the part he is making is for a single cylinder 50.5 cubic inch Kohler engine. It's for a pulling tractor. This is the part that bolts up against this piece he's making, and it's all for a intake manifold for the tractor.